Hey, crazy people. So today I will show you that I'm crazier than you. I will be eating raw meat. Don't believe me? Stay with me just after the intro. Big Joe! Cheap travels. Travel on a budget. You didn't believe me? Here it is. Raw meat. And it's called steak tartare. So I could tell you history about it, but yeah, just Google it and you'll know what it is. So it's like minced meat, and they put some spices inside. It's beef, and I think some cucumbers. So yeah, pickles, not cucumbers, the sour ones, you know. So yeah, today I'll show you how to prepare it. Well, it's not that difficult, but yeah, you'll see me bake the bread, put the butter on, put the raw meat on, and then I'll eat it. It's actually one of my favorite foods. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. So first of all, we have steak tartare, some butter, and bread. Or as Americans would call it, French bread. So we'll cut this into pieces and then toast it, and then we'll put some butter on it and the raw meat. I have cut up the bread on sandwich pieces, so I'll just bake them for like 5 minutes in the toaster, and then this will be my dinner. Steak tartare. The only problem is I can bake 4 pieces at a time in my toaster, so yeah. Off they go. 5 minutes. So let's check on our French bread toast. It will be very crunchy, just the way I like it. Yeah. Ta-da! Let's wait 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm back. Let's check on the bread. It's ready. Steak tartare and my 4 pieces of French bread. Crunchy and toasted. Now let's put 4 more for the next round. There we go. And this one, let's put some butter on it. Butter part finished. Now it's time to apply the raw meat, the tartare steak. Ta-da! The final product. Tartare beef steak on French bread with butter. Half is left for the other 4 breads that are baking there. So now it's time to try these puppies up, yeah. And yeah, guys, if you thought I was kidding, I was not. I really love this stuff. It's my favorite food, dinner food. So yeah, the tartare steak on French bread. I love it. The bread is so crunchy. The meat is so delicious. You gotta try this, guys, at least once in your life. It's like the climax, you know. It's very good. Anyone for seconds? Yeah, me. So guys, I hope I broke your myth about eating raw meat. It's actually steak tartare. Those Mongols knew what they were doing. Actually, the history of this goes back to Mongolia and Genghis Khan, you know, the great conqueror from Mongolia. He came all the way from Mongolia to Europe, to Hungary. I don't think he conquered Slovenia, but he conquered Hungary. And they used to put this meat steaks under their saddles, and while they would rode on it, you know, the meat would get tender because of it, and then they would eat it. So it was raw meat, and that's how steak tartare first was made and formed. Now they just put it in a mixer and add spice and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're a vegetarian, I hope you're not watching this video. If you are, comment below what you think of it. But yeah, all I can say is cheers, guys. Don't hold it against me. I love it. Tasty, tasty. Okay. Now it's time for second round. So crunchy, the French toast, not toast, but French bread. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Press a like or dislike, I don't care. But it was very tasty. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so, and put a comment down there. What do you think? Would you try raw meat? Wouldn't you? Have you tried tartare steak or didn't you? Tell me in the comments what you think. Until next time, guys, take care. The second round is waiting for me, so take care, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, put a like there, and see you next time.